Guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Sunday, happy eviction day. Are you ready today, guys? Who do you think is going home? We need to send someone home, guys. At the end of the day, it is what it is. So, without wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Honestly speaking, Uliema was wrong, guys. I'm not a fan of Thandeka or Uliema, but I think she was so harsh, Uliema to Thandeka. So, what happened to we all know today is Sunday. It's a maintenance day, guys. The ladies, they are doing their nails. The boys are cutting their hair. So Umele has just finished his nails, and Thandeka was waiting for him to finish so she could do her nails next. Then Liema come and interrupt in a rude way, guys. Instead of asking polite, the situation, it felt unnecessary. She could have handled more respectful, guys. She said she was not happy with the nails. Even the lady, guys, even the lady, the technician lady, she was so bored. You could see her reaction. She could have just said, hey, I'm not happy. Can Thandeka, I do this? It's just one nails. And then she will go. No, she was just like, no, I'm here. I just want to do this, And then Thandeka, she just left the situation. And people were so happy to say, wow, we are very proud of Thandeka. Sometimes we always blame Thandeka for no reason, guys. Uliema na akeko perfect, guys. People, every time when they see Thandeka, they will tell you, we hate Thandeka. We hate Thandeka. You can't even give us the reason why you hate Thandeka. When Liema, she's wrong, you can't call Liema out. Uliema, she's an angel. In Uliema, she asked the lady who was doing her nails to say, can you please write it to if it was Thandeka who said that you guys were going to drag it, Thandeka. People are watching TikTok or are watching Big Brother on TikTok. We're going to drag Thandeka the whole week, saying that she will never take the 2 million. She's so rude, she's so selfish, she doesn't know how to talk. But when it comes to Liema, you don't say anything, guys, because it's Liema. She's an artist, she's famous, she has a strong fan base. That is totally unfair, guys. When it comes to me, I vote for anyone. This week I will vote for Liema, the other week it's Thandeka. I look at someone who's giving me drama. You guys watch this show with emotions and you expect people to do exactly what you want, guys. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Sunday. Let's engage to the comment section, guys. Let's not just waste time. Let's go to the comment section. Tell me, who do you think is going home?